Negotiable Instruments Act, Section 57, Legal representative cannot by delivery only negotiate instrument induced by deceased. Section 57 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, 1881 deals with the limitation placed upon a legal representative in negotiating a negotiable instrument that had been induced by a deceased person but not delivered before his death. The provision clarifies that mere delivery by the legal representative is not sufficient to complete negotiation in such circumstances. 1. Requirement of endorsement and delivery. Under the Act, when a negotiable instrument is payable to order, valid negotiation requires both endorsement by the holder and delivery of the instrument. Endorsement alone is not sufficient, as delivery is necessary to complete the transfer of rights. 2. Situation covered by Section 57. This section applies where a promissory note, bill of exchange, or cheque payable to order has been endorsed by the holder who subsequently dies before delivering the instrument. In such a case, although the endorsement exists, the instrument was not effectively negotiated because delivery had not taken place during the lifetime of the deceased. 3. Role of the legal representative. Upon the death of a person, his legal representative such as an executor or administrator assumes responsibility for managing his estate. This may include possession of negotiable instruments. However, Section 57 provides that the legal representative cannot complete the negotiation merely by delivering the instrument. In other words, delivery alone by the legal representative does not validate the endorsement made by the deceased if the deceased himself did not deliver the instrument during his lifetime. 4. Reason for the rule. The principle underlying this provision is that the negotiation of an order instrument requires both endorsement and delivery by the holder, as these two acts together demonstrate the intention to transfer ownership. If the deceased endorsed the instrument but retained possession without delivering it, the transaction was incomplete. The law does not permit the legal representative to perfect that incomplete act merely by handing over the instrument. This prevents uncertainty regarding the deceased's intention and protects the integrity of the negotiation process. 5. Effect of the provision. Section 57 provides that an endorsement made by a deceased holder remains incomplete if the instrument was not delivered during his lifetime, and the legal representative cannot validate that endorsement merely by delivering the instrument. Consequently, a fresh and lawful negotiation is required, as the rights in the instrument do not automatically pass to a third party simply because the deceased had signed it. 6. Commercial and legal significance. This provision safeguards the requirement of intention in completing negotiation, protects the rights of the estate of the deceased, and ensures certainty in the transfer of negotiable instruments. It ensures that negotiable instruments are transferred only through complete and authorized acts and prevents ambiguity arising from incomplete transactions at the time of death. For more details, contact us.